These are the 6x9s. These are definitely an upgrade from the other 6x9s I had in that car. So like I told y'all, man, if y'all didn't check out the video where we wrapped my rear deck, pulled them old speakers out, and put in the 2 Skars, go check those videos out. But like I said, if y'all didn't check out the video where we wrapped this rear deck, go check that out. We wrapped it and then we installed these as well. Go check those videos out. So big speaker, small speaker, and that looks really good. You feel me? Y'all give me y'all opinions on it. And like I said, the next video we're gonna be installing that, what I'm gonna rock out with, you know what I'm saying? Because I need that whole rear deck to look the same.
Bingo, I got action.
What's up, guys? This is your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now if y'all haven't checked out the video where I went ahead and wrapped my rear deck and added 2 5.25 speakers in it, y'all go check that video out now. Like I told y'all, I know it's better speakers I can get, but I want my rear deck to be all the same speaker, you know what I'm saying? So when somebody look at it, they'd be like, okay, he ain't got different speakers, you know what I'm saying? It's all the same brand speaker, you know? So that was one of my main things, one of my main focuses was to make sure all my speakers were the same. Since they showing, you know what I'm saying, I wanted them to be the same. If they wasn't showing and you wasn't seeing them, then yeah, it wouldn't really matter. But my rear deck, they are showing, so I wanted my speakers to be the same. So I went ahead and ordered some more Skars, like I told y'all, some 6x9s. Like I said, I know it's better speakers I can get, but I had already bought all 4 of them 5.25 speakers, so I needed to use them, you know what I'm saying? It was too late for me to return them because it's way past the 30-day mark, and yeah, it was too late for me to try to return them and get my money back. So I needed to use them, so I decided to just put 2 of the 5.25s in my Cutlass rear deck, and if I ever get another car, you know what I'm saying, then I'll have some extra speakers to put in that other car if I ever get one. But for now, I still got 2 of them that ain't being used, so I just didn't want to feel like my money was being wasted, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and ordered 2 more Skars, and this time I got 6x9s, so they should drop straight into the rear deck. All I gotta do is screw them down, and that should be it, you know what I'm saying? So this video, I'm just gonna be showing y'all the speakers to get y'all opinions on them. And like I said, I know it's better speakers I can get. I know it's better brands. I know I probably could have got like some DS18s. I don't even know if they sell 6x9s, but they probably do, because they sell all speakers. And then, you know what I'm saying, I know it's better speakers I can get, but like I told y'all, I wanted that rear deck to be all the same speaker brand, you feel me? And these Skars come with the mesh covering, so it's another plus, you feel me? So yeah, I went ahead and ordered these Skars, and like I said, I'm gonna show them to y'all. It's a big old box, and this box is kind of heavy, you know what I'm saying? So let me sit y'all right here. Try to do a quick little, ooh, my bad. Try to do a quick little unboxing before my camera starts to overheat in this car, because it is hot. That's another bad thing about the summertime, you know what I'm saying, is when it get hot in my Charger, I don't have AC, so that's why I've been trying to get an AC compressor. But honestly, that AC compressor, I'm not too stressed about it, because I know I can always get one. I'm more focused on getting my box Chevy right and my Cutlass right, you feel me? That AC compressor, like I said, I'm not too stressed about it, because I've been riding for so long without an AC compressor, so I'm not too stressed about it. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing right now, and then later on throughout the video, I'm gonna show y'all everything outside of the car and then next to the box Chevy and everything. So these are the 6x9s. These are definitely an upgrade from the other 6x9s I had in that car. So like I told y'all, man, if y'all didn't check out the video where we wrapped my rear deck, pulled them old speakers out, and put in the 2 Skars, go check those videos out, because these 6x9s are definitely an upgrade from the last ones. And like I said, they are Skar, so they are all matched, and plus it came with the mesh, so that's one of the main things I was worried about. So yeah, man, the next video we're gonna be installing these in the box Chevy, but this video, like I said, I want to just show y'all these, and then I'm gonna show y'all these like next to the other ones and all that stuff, next in the car and everything, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me showing y'all my Skars. And like I told y'all, man, I know it's better speakers I can get. It's just the fact that, you feel me, I try to get this back in there. I needed to use them speakers since I already paid for them, you know, them 5.25s. And like I told you, I was too late for me to return them, so I needed to use them speakers. So why not just go ahead and do it in my rear deck? You feel me? I just wrapped it. Why not just throw it in my rear deck and rock out like that? So make sure y'all hit that like button for me though. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, let's go next to the box Chevy. I'll catch y'all once I get outside. All right, so y'all, hold on. My bad about that. But yeah, man, so y'all know my box Chevy been out of commission, right, for a little while, because I've been trying to find a manual window regulator, and it's like they don't sell them, you know what I'm saying? But I finally found one and I ordered it, and now I'm just waiting on it to come in. So whenever that come in, we're gonna throw that one in the car. Then my box Chevy will be back in commission, you feel me? And I can whip him around, you feel me? So yeah, man, that's the only reason why my box Chevy been down. I ain't been driving it. Y'all been seeing videos on it because we been still working on it. But yeah, I ain't been able to drive this car around because I got tape on my window on my window to hold it up so it don't, you feel me, just fall and shake and all that stuff and break easily. So yeah, that's been down. But before we get into the 6x9s, I want to show y'all the rear deck. So like I told y'all, I got these 5.25s in here. 6x9 gonna go here. And yeah, like I told y'all, I needed to use these, and them 6x9s are literally the same mesh as this. And yeah, like I told you, I needed to use them. I can't send them back. I mean, I probably could sell them on Facebook Marketplace, but yeah, man, I just didn't feel like dealing with the headache of people trying to down my price, or if I was trying to resell them. But if I was trying to resell them, I would have just asked for my money back. I wouldn't have tried to make nothing else of it, you know what I'm saying? I paid $45, $48, somewhere around there for 2 of these. So if I were to sell them, I would have sold them for the same price just to get my money back, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, if y'all didn't check out the video where we wrapped this rear deck, go check that out. We wrapped it and then we installed these as well. Go check those videos out. And like I said, next video we're gonna be installing the 6x9s. But this video, I want to go ahead and pull them out real quick. So y'all sit right here. And y'all know, like I said, I do have another box with the 5.25s. I set them in the trunk up here for now until I, you feel me, just put them up. But yeah, man, we got these speakers now. The only thing, literally the only thing we gotta do with these speakers is install them into the car. These are some pretty thick speakers too, you know what I'm saying? They definitely not like my other 6x9s, but this specs, if y'all was wondering, 120 watt, 220 watts max, 4 ohms. And yeah, man, this is the speaker. And like I said, it come with the mesh cover as well, like my 5.25s. And the way to do the mesh cover, you just push it out. Literally just push it out. This one bent right here. But yeah, man, you just push it out. You screw these screw holes down, then you place the mesh back in there. So yeah, man, I'm finna ready to show y'all this inside of the car and so y'all get some type of picture idea of how my mesh is, well, how my rear deck is gonna look, you know what I'm saying, with all these speakers. And like I told y'all, man, I know it's better speakers I can get. I'm gonna keep saying it. I know it's better speakers I can get, but this is just what I'm gonna rock out with, you know what I'm saying, because I need that whole rear deck to look the same. So if people ever look in it, they'll see all the same in the rear deck. So yeah, man, let's go ahead, try to mount this in the car so y'all will get some type of idea, you feel me, some type of idea. So let's sit y'all right here real quick, and then all I'm gonna do is just place this up in there. I think it's, yeah, it's getting caught on that metal plate, so I'm definitely going to have to bend that down some. But just for y'all to get an idea, you know what I'm saying, of how the rear deck gonna be, I definitely want to take a picture of this because this look good. It's basically gonna go from big to small, you know what I'm saying? So the middle two are gonna be big, and yeah, the speaker not down all the way because my seat support back here, the little metal framing part, I'm gonna have to hit it down a little bit, which would be all right, you feel me? So big speaker, small speaker, and that looks really good, you feel me? Y'all give me y'all opinions on it. And like I said, the next video we're gonna be installing that, because I'm gonna definitely have to hit down that metal part of the seat. Let me try it on this side too. Okay, so it look like this side might be the same. I'm gonna have to hit it down too. Yeah, because it's definitely hitting on there. It's scratching up my speaker. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to hit that down. But like I said, man, y'all get the idea of what I'm going for. You feel me? Scars in the rear deck. So if anybody look through the back window, they'll see my rear deck full with the scars. And like I said, I was gonna create an overlay basically with a really thin piece of wood, like an overlay board, to cover up this so nobody will see the speakers. But then I had the idea, I was like, I just bought these scars, why not use them and just show off the rear deck with the speakers instead of trying to do an overlay and hide the speakers, you know? It looks 10 times better like this to me than trying to do an overlay. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm excited to install these. Y'all let me know y'all opinions if y'all are ready to see these inside of the car. Like I said, I'm excited, man. I'm ready. So yeah, yep. Y'all let me know y'all opinions, what y'all think about it though. Like I said, we got Skars. They are 6x9s and they should fit straight into that hole. It's just the metal part of the framing is what it's hitting on. Move these off the ground real quick. Alright, hold on, y'all. And like I said, we got the 5.25, still got one more pack of them that are not used right now. So yeah, man, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with them, because as of right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these speakers yet. So that's something I still gotta figure out, if I just want to go ahead and sell these, or if I want to hold on to them just in case if I do get another car, throw these into another car, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I definitely need to figure out what I'm gonna do. Then once we go ahead and install these speakers in the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and wire them up, and we're not gonna be able to test them out because my battery is off. But once this window regulator come in, which is this one, and y'all know this one's messed up because if y'all look there, them things are the belt is chewed up. Now I do have another belt, but I don't know how to put it in, so I just went ahead. Y'all see, brand new belt. So if I ever figure out how to put it in, you know what I'm saying, I still gonna have my old regulator. So I have two regulators. But yeah, man, whenever that one come in, I'm gonna put my battery up, plug my battery up. We're gonna start driving this car more. And that, like I said, this is the only reason why my car ain't been driving, because I've been having to hold the window up with this tape. And it's been doing this job, you feel me? It's been like this for over a week, and I've just been waiting on that regulator to come in the mail so I can put everything back on this door. So yeah, man, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about the 6x9s. And yeah, man, I'm excited to put them in the car. I'm excited to hear them out. My old speakers I had in here, one of them had froze. One speaker had froze, and the other ones, they were still fine, but it was a dual speaker for my smaller one, and then the 6x9 was a Sony. So it was two different speakers in the rear deck. You feel me? It was two 6x9 Sonys and two of the smaller speaker duals, and I didn't like that. You feel me? That's why I was trying to cover it up with an overlay. But then I decided I got these speakers, and I'm not putting them in my Cutlass no more, so why not use these and then just order some 6x9s from Skar, and it'll all be the same in the rear deck, you know what I'm saying? And then once I decided that, I was like, all right, so if I'm doing that, I don't want no wood just showing, so I'm gonna wrap this. So we went ahead and wrapped both sides, you feel me? Now it's all the same, and now we just gotta install the speaker. So like I said, y'all let me know y'all opinions in the comments. I know some of y'all probably not gonna like it, but or and I know y'all will tell me to get some different speakers, but like I said, man, I'm already paid for these, and I want to get my money's worth at least out of these speakers. You feel me? So yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and use them and call it a day. You feel me? They're gonna rock out like that. The only thing I'm gonna have to do is, if y'all look right here, this metal, I'm gonna have to try and hit that back a little bit, you feel me? Or bend it back, do something that I can do. Figure out something I can do, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we need to get this installed, so y'all stay tuned for the next video, because I need to get to working on that. And yeah, man, I hope y'all like the 6x9s we got, you feel me? So y'all stay tuned, we will be installing that in the next video, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one. I'm not doing that shit. That's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like them 6x9s. Like I said, I want to show them to y'all before I install them, so I will be installing them in the next video. And like I told you, I already know it's better speakers to get. We'll most likely be upgrading later on down the line, but for now, I at least want to get my money's worth out of them 5.25s that I already bought. You feel me? I done bought 4 of them, so I need to get some use out of them. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Next video, we're gonna be installing them speakers. We're gonna be wiring them up, but like I said, we can't listen to them because I don't have my battery hooked up, and I don't feel like hooking my battery up just to hear them and then unhooking my battery right back again, because I still got to finish that window regulator, and I'm waiting on it to come in the mail. Whenever it come in the mail, then we're gonna install it, then I can finally start driving my car again. So yeah, man, I'm excited. Everything going pretty good so far with that box Chevy, besides that window regulator. That's the only thing that it messed up everything completely, you feel me? I've been doing a lot with that box Chevy, and like I said, that's one of the last things is that window regulator. So whenever it come in, like I said, we're gonna be installing it so I can start driving my car again more, you know? I don't want to drive it around now and that window's not on track or have nothing to hold it up, so it'll be flopping around and then end up cracking or breaking. I don't feel that's another headache to have to deal with later on, so I don't even feel like doing with all that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're gonna be installing that window regulator as soon as it come in. And like I told you, it was one hard part to really find, you know? They don't make them, they discontinue, so they don't make them anymore. So I had to try and find somebody that was selling one on eBay. And when I finally found one, bro, I ordered it, you know? So like I said, it took me a little minute to find one, and yeah, I finally found one. I mean, the puller parts down here where I live, they didn't have no box Chevy with a manual window regulator. I found one that had one box Chevy, but it was a manual window. And I know I can convert my window to a manual, but I like the old school look with the handle, you feel me? Plus I want to end up getting like some billet handles. I mean, they're a little different, you know what I'm saying? So I want to end up getting them handles, but right now they $50 a piece, so I'll have to spend $200 on that. So that's the only reason why I'm waiting on that, you know? $200 on some handles is kind of crazy to me. But yeah, man, this is gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Dang, that was clean. The Tahoe just rolled down the street on some gold rims. It looks so hard. It looks so hard. But yeah, man, did I tell y'all share the channel, share this video? Let's keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.